Are you searching for the best smart digital multimeter? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best smart digital multimeter in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. BSIDE Professional Digital Multimeter Smart, Portable Protective Design, comes with a protective shell and EVA portable cloth bag, ensuring the multimeter is protected and easy to carry. Comprehensive measurement range, offers a wide range of measurements, including DC/AC voltage, capacitance, and resistance, for diverse testing needs. Electric meter tester, 9999 counts high-resolution display, features a 9999 counts high-resolution EBTN display, ensuring precise measurements for all electrical tasks. USB charging rechargeable battery, equipped with a USB charging design and a built-in rechargeable lithium battery for energy-efficient use. Smart device with EMF detection. The S20 model adds EMF detection, making it a smart device for detecting electromagnetic fields. The BSIDE multimeter boasts a user-friendly design with a front button-free display, allowing for easy operation without the need to navigate through multiple menus. The 3.5-inch EBTN screen provides clear visibility, even in bright lighting conditions. The multimeter's smart device compatibility enables users to connect it to their smartphones or tablets, offering additional features and convenience. The USB charging design ensures that the device is always ready for use, reducing downtime and environmental waste.